Felicity's Forest Feast. One day, a little fox named Felicity decided to prepare a picnic feast for her friends. She had never cooked before, so she nervously began her culinary adventure. First, she picked up a juicy lemon, sliced it open, and then squeezed out the tangy juice, letting it drizzle over some fresh greens. Next, she carefully sprinkled a pinch of salt and pepper to season her salad. But a salad alone wouldn't be enough for the picnic. Felicity grabbed a big carrot, started to peel it, and then skillfully diced it into small pieces to add to her secret recipe. When her friends arrived, they were amazed by Felicity's creation. They all agreed it was the best salad they had ever tasted. From that day on, Felicity became the most popular little chef in the forest.
Slice, slice, slice. She sliced the bread before serving. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. He squeezed the lemon to make lemonade. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. She sprinkled some salt on the salad for flavor. Peel, peel, peel. He peeled the apple before eating it. Dice, dice, dice. She diced the onions for the soup. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. He drizzled olive oil over the vegetables. Season, season, season. She seasoned the chicken with herbs and spices. Feast, feast, feast. They prepared a feast for the holiday celebration. Tangy, tangy, tangy. The sauce has a tangy flavor that complements the meat. Culinary, culinary, culinary. She explored culinary techniques to improve her cooking skills. Pinch of salt, pinch of salt, pinch of salt. Add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor.